Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to make a checkpoint in Roblox Studio. So right away you're going to click on a template. We're going to choose base plate. Now that we're here, we're going to go over to the right side where we have workspace, and just beside it you can click on the plus icon there, click on folder, and then we're going to rename this folder. We're going to give it a name checkpoint. So now we have the checkpoint. We're going to go over to model at the top area here, click on model, and then we're going to click on part. Now this will create a part here, and then we're going to place it right here. Then we're going to make it bigger a bit. As we clicked on it, you can see it's called part. Then the next thing we're going to do is to drag it into our checkpoint folder. Just drop it nicely right there. And you can see it's currently under checkpoint. And then we're going to need to duplicate this. We have one now. We're going to make 4 more. So in order to make a duplicate, you can use Ctrl D on your keyboard. Then we'll move it away, and then Ctrl D again, and then move it to the next one. Click on Ctrl D, then move it to another space. Then one more time, Ctrl D again to have the 5th part. So after creating these 5 parts, you're going to rename them 1 to 5. So now that we have it, we're going to go over to server script service right here. Click on the plus icon, and then we're going to search for script or select it if you can find it here. So we're going to first of all delete what we have right here, and then we'll paste the code, which will be in the description of this video. So after we've successfully pasted it right here, we're going to go back to the first tab where we had this, and then go to the top left corner, click on File, and click on Save to Roblox. You're going to give it a name. So we just give it a name, and we can click on Save. After it's done saving and you're back right here, you're going to go over to Game Settings, then click on Security, and then Enable Studio Access to API Services. We're going to toggle this on and click on Save. Then after doing that, you're going to go again to File at the top left corner, click on Save to Roblox. Then we'll click on Play to test what we've done. And as you can see, we're currently on stage 1 here. We're going to move to the second one. You can see stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, and stage 5. That has been successful, and we've been able to create our checkpoint. So if you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.